What we have here right now is my workbench for developing this debugging EEPROM. You can see in slot U28, there it is, and I probably shouldn't be shining light on it, but that's okay. I have a VGA card, an 8-bit VGA. I also have an I/O card that has serial, parallel, a game port, and also a floppy disk connector. Controller's made by Zilog, can't see it from here. And I have an Ethernet card that's doing absolutely nothing. I also have a memory card somewhere. Where did I put it? It is down there. It does not have the right settings currently, and it generates a parity error. And we're going to turn this on and show that my piece of crap software actually boots. At least to the title screen. Here we go. There you have it. It's the exact correct spot. F400. The segment and the entry point. Unfortunately, the keyboard's locked. So, something in my ROM doesn't like the keyboard routine. Okay, let's take it out. We see the generic XT BIOS, and we can see the floppy disk controller working. It's under a new date. Let's see if I can put in the ROM back in without destroying something. Probably not, but nope. Oh, maybe. Nope, I crashed the machine. I can't do it. So, for the time being, my ROM gets the title screen and then crashes and burns. I'd say that's about par for the course.